ena ye benada nene no me ne asofo na ehia wa hanje utumu se ma ye nhira pa ai mewo Apostle Chris Bedema ewa executive pastor ena fe Prophet David Ganu ono so sofo pani wormoda the Hill Church, the Hill City Church ano ena a worldwide word ministries ena no pay one more ba hai mfie nkron enye bete pani fo mu akwaba hey dine dia na je say twi na be den kakra but enye problem utumi de mese no a na je say de hia ne say word ne beba e pe say ye ntiase na the Hill Church eba ye no the Hill City Church eba ye no 9 years ni wow
9 years
wow apostle sire na wo hin na ni swade hu ne ba ye say fa asori ati savra.
Okay, actually no your head no your D4
okay
Prophet John Anochi.
Oh
and me na me as an assistant executive pastor so no na go man no vision no
okay
and yes here 9 years ago yes and you know on share oil D4 and you know Holy Spirit no and in kasa and you know ono kwa ne papa yesofo
okay
and you won mission house and you yes adwuma we and I go friend our university by drew time be na go train say after started this particular ministry I friend worldwide word ministry the Hill City Church and 9 years ago na Yakobo Adom ye shas here na is in a great journey ono oye odifo osantra de pa onim word no aha and Yakobo to me eye dwuma na brabo pa ni so pa yes aha and you know wawon otidina worldwide word and Yakobo asem no to the whole world yes and you know is in a great 9 years Yakobo aye bebre amai
wow
yes
the nyame ase ene 9 years yi de say program lineup bi so e wo ho nti the Hill City Church e wa Accra pe ya na mo
yes you're on crying you're East Legon
okay
ARS runabout if American house say called Bujua ARS runabout we are friend ARS it's just after ARS runabout near one right
okay
just by the roadside the whole now bet me any assume
okay enti me sure 9 years dey nye easy say akra na wo na 9 years we hu say we nyini ni mu me fine activities in it say
okay enti throughout the week say ndra ye news conference ye ni central for share chom nyama ye be nyame Adom and then so ye be crusade kese e wo American house say bibia ye wo no ye pese ye de nyame asem ekọ bibia until say started free bibia ye wo no nti crusade na nwumre by 5 na ya shase e wo American house car park lorry station ho ye pese ye che nyame asem o chanso no menye say nsem na ebe chere but ye pese ye di nyame asem e touch other lives nti ye beko Ogbojo Polyclinic and also ben ya sorry ho ye koye juma kakra ho and na so yes na ya sanso a donation kakra to help the clinic yes na enyumre no so ye shower ye auditorium or Hill City Church auditorium and with worship night ebesum nyame ye bedana say 9 years nyama wa ya mind oh baby o bia no betimi a join in na ya yes asum no and a Thursday no so be a prophetic night we are prophetic ministry nti prophetic night no to also bring out the prophetic word that nyamediama prophet concerning the year and how we can also walk into it to get a manifestation of the word and a Friday which is the main day Friday and 14th interesting you know 14th of February now yes share sorry na siankasa
okay
yes it was a Sunday until that's the main day until that day is a celebration night so there's going to be a lot of activities fun night with family because it's a family celebration we are family so there's going to be a lot of interesting activities. And then the Saturday we have some games, fun games. Yes. The Bible no say exercise, a little exercise profits a little. So that little no so who hia nyame nti na ba Bible mu nti or say yenso ye sa ejuma no for nti any other ministry Dr. Bodi nyame chena sorry
okay
ebeshie ma edi agro kakra
ya ko show mo mu fie
mo ko show mo mu fie
yes
anti anu ba ko so wan fa
eno no ebe ko omo sorry
omo ashote for omo sporting facility
okay
Dr. Bodi nyame chena kasa obo pa ba yenso e bi for no a senior
so yeah and e weba wo papa ye behwe yeso obo pa di e behwe say obetimi abiti apostle
yekita record
musumo record
lose that
the prophet na captain no
oza and e beyire adani nyina Saturday no na e beye de pa wow na Sunday no so
Sunday no the celebration nti ye be crown bibia e wa sorry na ya danya mi ase eduane kakra bia na dia soso ya no
Yes. Oh wow. Nti we ye dey anyum beba mu ni ade ye wo ministers bi a wo beba be ministers ya.
Yes. Meaning Minister Paulo. Okay. Obe pass it through Ora Sax. So beba. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Na ya nkasa ya anointed ministers.
Minister Prince solid. Very anointed. The voice near senior.
Whoa.
Yes.
And they were more seniors and guano.
Yeah. Serious.
Okay. The papa na da so no. Wow. Musrane more. 9 years.
Yeah.
And we se bibi wo kwa.
Yes, it is we pese oni ebe suma the numbers beto ho say 0540996670. So per direction it be per direction 0540996670. Now sisi so in bia be say o bolt ana yango ana uba obetimi a type asori ni din no.
The city
World Wide Word Ministries. O type World Wide Word Ministries.
Okay.
And no beba be bia wo bia won kran ha and no beba ho direct ha.
And they made us say
Apostle. And about your information is on your Facebook page, no?
Okay.
John Anochi Ministries.
Okay.
John Anochi Ministries Incorporated. And to be biawo and to call menya biawo.
Yeda mo se papa. Enti Apostle Chris Bedema, Executive Pastor Prophet David Ganu, or a clergy. And I say one more cano Worldwide Word Ministries, the Hill City Church, 9 years anniversary, and one more AD. Yen show video yimra na ye ba mo nkomo fofo bi oho ye beto so